What's up, y'all? We out here doing some more crazy shit. As you can see, I was sandblasting my porch, and that sandblaster is not that strong. Hey, roll that sandblaster out here. I mean, that pressure cleaner. Let's see how strong it is, dude. I mean, it's pretty strong because it got like a lot of that fungi or whatever it is, algae off the porch. But I still gotta do more, as y'all can see. But this shit taking forever in a day. So for it taking forever in a day, let's see how many PSIs this thing have on it. 1750. So it's got 1,750 PSIs on it. All right.
Man, it did a good job.
Made by Husky.
It took the black off.
Yeah, but I had to do a lot of stuff to get that black off. Well, why you talking about black people, bro? Huh?
I'm talking about the wood.
Why you talking about black people? He black himself. Do you not know that? He black folk. Yo, I'm telling you, it's because of that damn Aura gel. You know what I'm saying? Not oral gel, Aura gel. All right.
It's just that cold thing that's aggravating me. Like it's freezing my leg.
You wanna you let me shoot you with this?
That thing won't hurt.
I don't think it's gonna hurt, bro.
I know it's hurt. Is that what they be using?
Backing out, man. He's scary,
to do the wheelchair?
He don't know. I did my foot the other day. I mean yesterday, and it didn't hurt because I did it twice actually because my foot was in the way and my foot like
that didn't hurt.
Long. So when I was squirting it, I was pressure cleaning it, it came down like twice on my foot. So it don't hurt that much, but it feel like a little tiny bit of sand, you know what I'm saying? But it's water, actually water.
Well, it's gonna hurt.
So
that's where they use that. I seen them rip holes in the wheelchairs.
No, not this, bro. The one you seen is with gas. Those are the strong PSI. This one, no. This is operated by electric, and it's only 1750.
He gonna have me in a wheelchair at work.
Nah, bro. I got crutches in the back, but you ain't gonna need them though. I don't think so. You think you gonna need crutches? No, bro. So you gonna try it or no?
Nah, that's a little too dangerous for me.
This man's scary, bro. I gotta do this all by myself all the time, bro. But it's okay. It's my channel. I asked him. He don't want to do it, so you know, I'm gonna try it. Stay tuned.
Yeah, that jump is so light right there. I was like, what? Right there with the thumbnail, it looks so light.
I'm recording here. Alright, people. I'm finna try this. I ain't got my phone on me, no. Phone over there. Damn. Yo, like I said, we finna try something stupid, yo. Don't try this at home, y'all. Don't try this at home. Alright? It's for entertainment purposes only and only on my body.
That was hard.
Screw it. They hurt? So you wanna try?
Nah, I'll let you try.
It's scary, y'all. It's scary, y'all. Alright, y'all. Come on. Don't let that water get on my camera, bro.
Does it get energy or something?
It's coming from the motor, man. Skirt it this way. Alright, hold on. I'm about to get shot with it.
I got on my job clothes. I ain't got my job clothes.
You wanna do it. Alright. Hey, right here. Right here, bro. Alright. You see? You have to mark this spot.
Nah, I got it.
That shit look hot, bro.
You said that about the tennis before.
He wasn't doing the stunt. I was doing the stunt. Shit, of
nah,
course.
Get it right. It should be good, right?
Wait. Alright, go. Okay. That doesn't hurt. Come closer. Don't block up my camera over there. Oh.
Like
a little shot. Oh.
Come on.
Oh, shit.
As you get closer and closer. Yeah.
That shit hurt, dude. Alright, come on.
Dang, it's bouncing off there though. when you lift weights every day. Just bouncing off that thing. Dang, it's actually like it's giving you some gold, but that's your belly button. Say, how this guy get a sinking hole in there? I'm done with this process.
Close as you can.
Huh?
Never enough. Close as you can. Don't block that camera though. Come on. Oh shit! Damn. Okay.
Yeah, because it's coming out of nowhere.
Okay. Come closer. Alright.
Coming out of nowhere. It don't feel that hard when you do it though like this.
Huh?
Ah! I changed my mind. Yeah, it give out a sting. Dang!
Yo, I got bruised up, man.
Wow, that don't hurt. Bro, that thing is damaging. Should I try it like this? Should I try it like this?
No. Don't do that. No. Oh shit.
When you feel like you about to kill us.
Oh shit.
I ain't playing no games no more. Now this might take my head off. I can be on top of the roof. Yeah, that's enough. Oh. You see how red it is? It's red, dude. Yo, we taking skin off. Yeah, we taking skin off. Man, it's junk. And it builds up pressure as it keeps sitting.
Come closer.
You turning pink. Dang, it shot me. The boy lift weights every day. It bounced off and slapped me.
Yeah.
It just bounced off and slapped me.
Crazy. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's crazy. Oh boy, I thought I was hitting me. I was afraid.
Whatever y'all do, don't try this at home. The Reacto Telly on the description below. But you know, give it a little bit more support, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and do some likes and let's subscribe to our channel. Let's see if we can bring up some more. You know what I'm saying? Some more fun things. You know what I'm saying? And let's see. Alright, alright, y'all family. Love y'all. Great supporters. And I wouldn't be doing this if I didn't have my fans and stuff like that. So we're gonna bring out some more great crazy things, alright? Let's come at this way.
Yeah, this thing's dangerous.
Huh?
This thing's dangerous. Imagine if use the one that killed them guy.
Huh? I hear you.
Imagine using the one that killed them guy.
Why is it not going on? Yeah, that one, I would never try it.
Yeah, especially that one that ripped holes and stuff.
Yeah, that.